Hi mga beloved at mga kabutit, and it's me again. Just want to share something lang today. Nagkaroon lang ako ng very quick realization in life. Project kasi ito ng aking anak, and I just realized something. So, ang project nila ay to plant. Ang ipaplant nila ay munggo. And I just realized something habang dinidiligan siya everyday. Meron ako dito, 2 munggo. As you can see, ang experiment nila is to plant two munggo. Yung isa ilalagay mo sa exposed with sunlight. Habang yung isa, ilalagay mo naman sa walang sunlight or walang light at all. So I just realized something na sa munggo na tinanim or nilagay doon sa parte na kung saan exposed siya sa light. As you can see, kung makikita mo, super green niya. And super healthy niya, and makikita mo yung roots niya from down there. You see? Sobrang healthy niya and all. And then the other one, you can see, medyo pale. Alam mo yan, hindi siya ganun ka-green and parang hindi ganun katibay yung foundation niya. And dun sa observation din namin, mas mabilis na nagbunga itong munggo kung saan walang light. As in, parang ilang araw lang, parang after 2 days, meron na agad tumubo sa kanya. Habang naman, itong isang munggo na inilagay namin na exposed with sunlight, parang mga after 3 to 4 days pa siya tumubo. So, anong realization doon? Paano ko siya nasabing that it can be related to life? Yes, you can live your own life. Go with the flow. You will grow. Yes, you will grow. You will mature. Pero, you will see that there is really something missing. Lagi mong mapapansin that there is an emptiness inside and you'd never know it kung ano. Hindi magiging clueless in life kung ano yung kulang and what's missing. And yes, you will grow. Yes, pwede kang mabuhay. And nung naalala ko nga, kasi nga, ang bilis niyang talagang lumaki. And yes, diba, minsan kasi tayong tao, gusto natin yung mga instant. Instant in life. Instant success, instant food, mga instant. And nakita kong itong plant na to na napakabilis niyang lumaki. Ang bilis niya nag-grow, pero wala siyang foundation. Buhay, pero walang buhay. Habang the munggo na na-expose sa sunlight, kitang-kita niyong nakatayo siya ng maganda. Maganda ang roots, maganda rin yung mga leaves niya. Kitang-kita mong green na green siya. And same thing with our life. Sabi nga sa John 8:12, I am the light of the world, and whoever follows me will never walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. And sino ba ang light? It is God. It is Jesus. So, I am just sharing this realization sa inyo. Kasi yes, we can live our own lives. Taka sa sarili mo, magtiwala ka lang on your own. Just do things on your own. Just do it. Buhay ka. But ang tanong, buhay ba talaga ang buhay mo? But here's the promise of the Lord, that if you walk in light, if you choose light, if you choose Him, and if you believe in Him and walk in Him, you will have the right foundation. Mabubuhay ka ng buhay. Ng totoong buhay. Hindi yung parang nabubuhay ka na lang para mabuhay. But with God, buhay ka ng totoong may buhay at may ilaw. Sabi nga, diba, you will never walk in darkness. Why? Because you have the light. And the light is Jesus. Yun lang. Ciao!